Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to delete messages in Airbnb. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So actually currently Airbnb does not have a way to delete individual Airbnb messages which have been sent. So but you can however, archive old conversations on Airbnb to help clear your inbox, and you may have sent a message by mistake and find that you really must delete the message. This is the case. You should consider deleting your whole Airbnb account. So, what I'm going to show you is how you can archive your messages on Airbnb. So first, just go to your Airbnb inbox on your computer, on your device, and then after that, you need to choose which conversation or message you want to archive. And you can scroll down the list to look at all of the conversations you have had with other Airbnb users. And after that, so once you've selected the conversation you want to be archived, you just need to click onto the archive button. And then it is the top right of the Airbnb that looks like this. So whenever you hover your mouse over it, it will show a label titled archive. And if you are sure that you want to archive the message, just click on the archive button and you will get a notification in the bottom left saying message archived. However, if you change your mind and still want to access the conversation and messages you sent, you can still view your archived box. So if you want to view your archived box, click onto the filter button and then you click the archived conversations, and then you will be shown all of the conversations which you have archived on Airbnb. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.